Hello everyone, welcome to PUC Online Classroom. Okay, so today I would like to explain more details about comparisons with adjective. Okay, as you can see right here, we have comparative adjective and the superlative adjective. And I think some of you have, or maybe all of you have done all of this exercise. Okay, but I need to explain more detail as I promised yesterday. Okay, so let's get it started with the handout that I prepared for you. Okay, as you can see right here, we have number one, two, three, things like this. Okay, not really three, but just only one and two. Combine only one and two. So now let's get it started with the first one. Look at these examples. This question is easier than the last one. This classroom is smaller than my bedroom. Okay, Cambodia is one of the smallest countries in the world. Okay, easier, smaller, and the smallest are comparisons of adjectives. But when you talk about smaller and easier, we call comparative adjective, and the smallest are is the superlative adjective. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have long, tall, hard, famous, happy. Okay, so we have one syllable adjective, we have two syllables adjective. Okay, but there are some, you know, key points that you need to remember and also understand that as well. Okay, as you can see right here, long, we go to longer, tall, taller, hard, harder, famous, more famous, but happy, it is different. Okay, it is two syllable, but it ends in y. We have to change y and then ier than. Okay, and the happiest. So let's understand more deeply about comparison altogether. So we have number two, form of comparatives and the superlative. So we have A for adjectives ending in two consonants, two consonant everyone, one vowel plus two consonants. So we just add er, est for comparative and the superlative, okay? Or just r or st if the adjective ends in e, okay? As you can see right here, long, we don't have e, so we have to add er. Large, we have e, so we just add r. Okay, tall and high, so we don't have e, so we have to add er. Okay, so we have taller and the tallest, higher than, and the highest. Okay, so let's go to B for adjectives ending in a single vowel plus a consonant. Everyone, single vowel plus a consonant, just like this, vowel plus consonant. Double the final consonant and add er or est. Okay, so double the final consonant, so you have to add one more final consonant. So as you can see right here, it ends in g, so you have to double whenever you see consonant and a vowel and consonant like this. Actually it's cvc. All right, consonant, vowel, consonant, so we have to add the final consonant whenever you make comparison. Okay, bigger than or the biggest. It's like hot. Is it C, V, C, consonant, vowel, consonant. So you have to add the final consonant, all right? Or double the final consonant. As you can see right here, we have double T, okay? With the same thing, thin, all right? Okay, so let's go to C for adjectives ending in Y. Change Y to I and add ER or EST. That's what I explained a little bit earlier. As you can see right here, we have lazy, crazy, happy, friendly, and pretty. So when you see all of this Y, but before that is a consonant, okay? Mostly consonants. So we have to change Y to I and add ER. Okay, lazier than, crazier than, happier than, friendlier than, and prettier than. All right, so once again, everyone, when you see Y, any adjective in Y, so you have to change Y to I and add ER or EST for comparative adjective and superlative adjective. Okay. All right, let's go to D for adjectives of two or more syllables, everyone. Two or more. It can be two, it can be more than two. Add more or less than or the most. As you can see, handsome, we can say more handsome or less handsome, modern, serious. So as you can see right here, there are two syllables adjective. Okay, if it is about beautiful, so more than 2 syllables, right? Then we also use with more than or the most when it comes to the superlative. Understand that? Okay, so let's go to the last. E for irregular adjectives, everyone, we call irregular. So it is different from the other points. Okay, we have to remember as follows. So it means that it's nothing that we have to remember all of this. Some kind of this rule. Okay, Y, change Y to I, CVC, double the final consonant, and in E or without E, just add ER or just letter R. Okay, things like this. But for the last point, everyone, which is irregular adjective, so we have good, bad, far, old, little, much, or many. So when you happen to see all of this, you have to remember when it comes to comparison right here. Good, better, bad, worse than, far. You can say farther or further than. Okay, old, older, or elder than, doesn't matter. Little, less than, much, and many, you can say more than. Okay, so this second column is the comparative adjective, and this the superlative adjective. All right, so if you have any question, everyone, from A to E, you can leave me question in our Telegram group chat, and I will respond to your questions. Don't worry about this, and you will have this handout. Okay, I will attach the handout with you. Okay, and I will also attach the exercise right here so that you can practice at home. So we have exercise 1 and 2 right here. So you have to use only comparative, okay, with the adjective given right here. All right, and in part 2, let's say number 2, you can use more or less if possible. Okay, it depends on the meaning, so that you have to read, you have to go through, all right, this text and see exactly whether the meaning really needs more or less. All right. Okay, so I think that's it for today, everyone. And if you have any questions, you can leave me, your question in our Telegram group chat, and I will answer to your question. All right. And I'm not going through the next activity, so I need to wait until you have question for me, especially for comparison. All right. Comparative adjective, superlative adjective. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Goodbye.